Okay, we're just fishing on the dock here. There's just a little sunfish over here before I get up. There we go. Already. I'm just using a little inchworm now because I broke the spider fly off, so I'm just using this. I'm gonna use this inchworm. Yeah, and he swallowed that one pretty deep. You can see that. It's a nice little sunfish. Swallowed it way down there. Yup. Okay. Let's see if we can get any more. Okay, there's a nice little sunfish over here. There's one. Nice little one, I guess. And they're not feeding off the surface, just put on a little inchworm or some type of little fly, and they seem to hit that pretty well. Oh.